Right, course 3. Carrying on with the Italian vibe, we have chocolate Torta Caprese. It's chocolate, almond and walnut. We've got some nice candied walnuts and some sabayon cream. So you want to get your oven on first, about 160. And we're going to put the tool on a baking tray and just whack it in the oven for a few minutes until it's warmed through. Say like 4 to 5 minutes should be fine. We're just going to whack that straight in the oven. And just get our plates. That's it, it's a waiting game. So once your 4 minutes are up, you just check the tool, make sure it's gone warm and a little bit soft. You can just pinch it. And now if you've gone too far, this will be quite soft and hard to pick up. So we'll need something to get it off the tray. If not, it should be fine just to lift it. And the cream should just come out. You can heat your spoon up, makes it a bit easier. We'll put that on. Come on, cream. There we go. Just finish off with your candied walnuts. Now you can be chefy and pile it on top of your cream and around. Or you can just go for it and sprinkle it all over the plate. Entirely your choice.